Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to borrow money from Cash App without direct deposit. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open Cash App on your phone or desktop and log into your account. Tap on the banking icon at the bottom to view your balance. If you see a borrow option here, that means the feature is already available to you. Just tap on it, check your available limit, and continue with the steps to borrow. If you don't see the borrow option, don't worry, this usually means your account isn't fully eligible yet. The first thing you should do is verify your identity. Tap on your profile icon. From here, go to Personal Information and confirm your details like your full name, date of birth, and ID, or SSN in supported regions. Next, make sure you have a linked and active bank account or debit card. Go to linked banks and connect your bank if you haven't already. This helps build trust with the system and improves your chances of getting access to the borrow feature even without direct deposit. Once your account is verified and active, Cash App may enable borrowing for you. Your limit can vary, usually starting small, like $20, and increasing over time based on your usage. When available, you can choose your repayment plan weekly or monthly and confirm the loan. The money will be added to your balance instantly. If you've completed all steps but still don't see the feature, it simply means it's not available for your account yet. Cash App rolls this out gradually, based on account activity, history, and eligibility. If you face any issues after borrowing, go to the support section in the app, search for Borrow, and contact support via chat. And that's it. So that's basically how you can borrow money from Cash App without direct deposit. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.